Where do we belong? There's something deep inside each one of us that needs to belong. And so we spend our lives looking for other people to approve of us, to like us, and to invite us to be a part of something. Every one of us is searching for our true friends, our tribe, our church. We long for others to accept our friend invitations, click our like buttons, share our posts, and to take an interest in our lives and our moments. But while our social networks are growing bigger, so is our sense of loneliness. Since 1985, the number of Americans with no close friends has tripled. In that same time, churches in America have been shrinking. 85% of churches are in decline. More than half of millennials have left the church. But it doesn't need to be that way. The church can be God's answer to loneliness. After all, that's how the early church was born. For 2 millennia, the church was a hub of activity and friendship, and shared purpose and vision. It was a place where people could find love and acceptance and hope. It was born as a place to belong. It's time to return to our roots. It's time for the church to be the church again, to love the hurting, to accept the outcast, to embrace the lonely. This fall, remind your family and friends and neighbors that there is hope, that they're not alone. Invite them back to church and remind them, you belong here.